Bullish Kucoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $34.88 and $65.89 by 2030. Market examiners accept KCS could reach $27.13 by 2025. Bearish Kucoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.20. Kucoin presentation. The fifth biggest spot trade is Kucoin, which was laid out in 2017. In view of traffic, liquidity, exchanging volumes, and trust in the veracity of detailed amounts, Kucoin has prevailed with regards to situating itself as one of the top crypto trades. Kucoin professes to have north of 10 million clients overall and a normal exchanging volume of more than $1.6 billion as a feature of its motivation to empower the worldwide free progression of computerized resources. The market for digital currencies is extremely flighty. The task performed outstandingly in 2021. Yet 2022 had demonstrated to be more troublesome. For an exact figure of the cost of Kucoin, we should go through these issues and do a speedy assessment of the coin. What is Kucoin? The local cash of the Kucoin trade is the Kucoin token. Financial backers can exchange in excess of 600 cryptographic forms of money on the trade, including Bitcoin, Ether, and TAI. Clients can use work area or versatile applications to utilize the Kucoin stage, which is open in excess of 200 nations. Various other speculation choices, similar to prospects exchanging, P2P exchanging, stop market requests, and cutoff orders, are open close to exchanging cryptographic forms of money. The KCS token empowers clients to acquire extra advantages from the trade. As a benefit-sharing token, KCS proprietors who own more than 6 of them are paid every day from Kucoin's day-to-day exchanging benefits. A big part of this cash goes to KCS holders. As per the site, the people who pay exchange expenses on the trade get limits, contingent upon the amount KCS they own. Token holders can move up to Kucoin celebrity status and gain admittance to bring down creator and taker costs. Kucoin principal investigation. The coin's worth took off following its presentation, from least normal cost of 45 cents in November 2017 to greatest normal cost $20.44 in January 2018. In spite of getting back to a typical exchanging cost of $2.28 in WAC 2018. KCS accordingly expanded to $5.17 in April 2018. The KCS cost immediately dropped, coming to 47 cents in December 2018. Kucoin vacillated between least cost of 30 cents and most extreme cost of $2.01 all through 2019 and 2020. Anyway, it began to ascend in 2021 and arrived at a greatest worth of $18.56 in April 2021. Yet again, after a short remedy to a typical exchanging esteem off of $0.96 in May 2021, the coin rose to a most extreme cost of $14.12 in July 2021. With a bullish pattern close to the furthest limit of 2021, KCS arrived at an unsurpassed high typical cost of $28.80. With the crypto market swing, KCS tumbled to a base cost of $15.02 in January 2022, preceding rising again once exchange started in February. The token basically exchanged sideways between the base cost of $17.50 and greatest cost of $20. In May 2022, Kucoin token value dropped to a base value worth of $9.34. Kucoin specialized investigation. The day-to-day diagram's specialized examination uncovers that after the Kucoin token cost expansion in April 2021, KCS cryptographic money moved with unpredictable unpredictability and dipped under $4 in May 2021. Following that, the cost of the Kucoin token gradually rose while exchanging sideways. In July 2021, Kucoin showed an immense bullish pattern, but keeping up with this momentum couldn't. The token started to ascend in September 2021, accepting any slight reductions. From that point forward, a critical cost increment was seen in December 2021. The start of 2022 saw some little cost unpredictability. In January, there was a minor cost decline. And from that point forward, the cost has been exchanging sideways. In the previous years, there have been significantly more new organizations and information exchanges, which has assisted with supporting the cost of the Kucoin coin. Since mid-2022, cost unpredictability has been noted. As per the Kucoin token's opposition and backing levels, the token went through a downfall in the wake of arriving at its greatest price tag. Kucoin token cost gauge predicts a quick obstruction level of $21.18 during the ongoing exchanging meeting. To break the record cost level, the Kucoin token should pass the following hindrance, which is set at $23.56. The KCS coin will track down its underlying help on the off chance that the decay continues at a value level of $17.20, which it has tried 2 times in late exchanging meetings and bounced back from. In the event that it penetrates the degree of quick help, The accompanying huge backings are set at $15.21 and $13.70, with the second being viewed as vital. Kucoin current cost. Kucoin is right now worth $7.75 USD. KCS has moved 0.70% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,071,763. Kucoin is right now positioned 457 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $758,831,293 USD. Kucoin Value Forecast 2023. Kucoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The KCS cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $11.63. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $10.85 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. KCS is supposed to have a base worth of $9.30. Kucoin Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Kucoin KCS cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of KCS will before long outperform $19.38. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the KCS's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, KCS will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15.50 and a typical exchanging cost of $17.05. Kucoin Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $27.13 and KCS might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KCS is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $24.81 and a low of $23.26 in 2025. Kucoin Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Kucoin effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the KCS coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KCS will be green in 2026. The KCS is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $34.88, with a base cost of $31.01 and a typical cost of $32.56. Kucoin Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the KCS cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $40.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $38.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KCS has a greatest value worth of $42.64. Kucoin Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $48.06. On the off chance that KCS figures out how to break the